Welcome to the client's S production facility. I am Robert Liu. Behind me is our Q37250, a 25 metric ton hookshot blasting machine. Custom built for this client and running strong for over a year. It's powered by 7 high-efficiency turbines at 15 kilowatts, each over 100 kilowatts of total blasting power. Handles work pieces up to 3.5 meters in diameter and 2.8 meters in height. Overall dimensions 4.8 by 4.8 by 4.5 meters. Plenty of room inside. Built for large motor housings, heavy iron castings, and custom-shaped workpieces. The entire chamber is lined with 10mm rolled manganese 13 manganese steel, rated for over 20,000 hours. Turbine guard troughs. Millimeter rolled manganese modular design for faster replacement. Overhead, a 25 metric ton double beam electric hoist. The dual beam design is more rigid and safer than single beam alternatives. The hook auto rotates at 3 revolutions per minute. Full 360-degree coverage. No shadow zones, 2-stage dust collection. Stage 1 cyclone free. Separator removes coarse particles. Stage 2 pulse jetpack filter handles fine dust. Clean exhaust meets European Union and Chinese national emission standards. And here as the result. 1 cycle delivers SO2 point. 5 surface cleanliness, ready for coating, painting or further processing. No secondary grinding needed. 3 key advantages. First, high throughput, 24 cores. Wide application handles any shape or size within specification. Third, fully customized to your production requirements. This unit has been running for over a year, and it still looks factory new. Siemens has a programmable logic controller with touchscreen human-machine interface. Fully automated operation, 1 button start-stop. We've delivered over 80 units of this class across China, and over 160 worldwide design, manufacturing, commissioning, all in-house, fast turnaround, reliable after-sales, on-site inspection, anytime.